Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again after your exam. So, today I am going to start chapter 5, Language of Chemistry. So, let's start the chapter and look at your book. First, introduction, symbols of elements. Matter. Matter is anything that occupies a space, has mass, and can be perceived by the sense. Matter substances may be pure or impure in nature. So actually what is matter? Matter is anything else that occupies some space, has proper mass and can be perceived. Perceived means we can feel it by our sense organ. That is called matter. Matter may be two types, pure or impure in nature. Pure substances are further classified into elements and compounds. So pure substances are furtherly classified into two groups. They are elements and compounds. All of you know. Next, element. Element is a pure substance made up of one kind of atoms only. Same kind of atoms consist of element. It cannot be converted or broken down into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical means. So if we want to convert an element into simpler substances by using some physical or chemical process, it is not possible. Atom is the basic unit of an element. So it is the smallest particle of element, that is atom, which may or may not exist on its own. So atom may or may not exist independently. An atom of any element is denoted by a symbol. So actually symbol of an element, that is a single atom of the particular element. Next, symbol. Symbol of an element. It is the short form or abbreviated name of the element. It is the short form or abbreviated name. मतलब पूरा नाम का short form, that is denoted by symbol. It represents a specific element or one atom of the element. So what is the meaning of symbol? Symbol basically specify the particular element or its short abbreviated name of one atom of the particular element. Example, capital H represents one atom of element hydrogen. So by the symbol of capital H, all of you know, it represents one atom of the element of hydrogen. It also represents the weight of the element equal to its atomic weight. So by the help of symbol, we can know that the weight of the element as well as equal to its atomic weight. It distinguishes one element from another and is characteristics of that element only. So by the help of symbol, we can easily distinguish one element from other. मतलब दूसरा एलिमेंट से पर्टिकुलर कोई एलिमेंट को हम लोग सिंबल के द्वारा डिस्टिंग्विश और डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं and is characteristics of that particular elements. Now, representation of a symbol. John Dalton, 1807, suggested a figurative symbols for atoms of element. First line में short question है. Figurative symbol process first introduced by John Dalton. Or John Dalton suggested which type of symbol for atoms of element, that is figurative symbols. Like nitrogen, this figure shows it is a nitrogen and this figure shows it is a ammonia. Berzelius, 1814, suggested a simple approach to representing elements. The first letter of the name of an element, मतलब element का जो name है उसका first letter के द्वारा symbol डिनोट्स करने का प्रोसेस कौन अप्लाई किया? Berzelius. Was taken as the symbol of that element. Example, carbon. Method not approved since two elements can have same first letter. Next, first two letters of the name of the element was taken as the symbol. मतलब नॉर्मल एलिमेंट का जो नाम है उसका नाम का first two letters of the name of element was taken as the symbol. Like calcium, method approved since many symbols could be written accordingly. Next, Latin name of the element was taken and the symbol derived from the Latin name like cuprum. Basically cuprum means copper, जिसका Latin नाम क्या है? Cuprum. तो cuprum से लिया गया है Cu, the Latin name of copper. Method widely approved and used. So basically Latin name was widely approved and used. So by the three steps we can derive the name of particular element or atom. Like first letter of the name of element, next the first two letters of the particular name of element as Latin name of the element. Next, valency. Valency is the number of hydrogen atoms which can combine with one atom of element forming a compound. So what is valency? Valency is a combining capacity by which one element can combine with another element to form a compound. That is the simple definition. So what is valency? Valency is a combining capacity by which one element can combine with another element to form a compound. Like hydrogen chloride, one atom of hydrogen combines with one atom of chlorine, whereas the valency of chlorine is 1. That's why the symbol is HCl. As because valency of hydrogen is 1. Next, water. Two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen, whereas the valency of oxygen is 2. Next, ammonia and next three atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of nitrogen. So whereas the valency of nitrogen is 3. Valency of some elements which do not combine with hydrogen. So some element which do not combine with hydrogen then becomes the combining power of element with an element whose valency is known. Like zinc combine with oxygen forming zinc oxide. The molecular formula is ZNO. मतलब जहाँ पे कुछ एलिमेंट है जो हाइड्रोजन के साथ कॉम्बाइन नहीं होता है, तो उस दौरान पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट का कॉम्बाइनिंग कैपेसिटी जानने के बाद ही वो दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ ऐड होने के बाद कंपाउंड फॉर्म कर सकता है. लाइक जिंक. वैलेंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 2, हेंस वैलेंसी ऑफ जिंक इज 2. इस दौरान द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज ओनली ZNO. नेक्स्ट, points to note, the valency of all metals is considered positive. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Basically metals are positive and non-metals are negative. Valency 1 elements are said to be monovalent. मतलब जिस एलिमेंट का combining capacity 1 होता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Monovalent. Whereas 2 are said to be divalent and 3 as trivalent. So the combining capacity of any element if is 1, so it is also considered as a monovalent. Is 2, so it is also known as divalent, and if it is 3, it is also known as trivalent. Certain elements exhibit more than one valency or variable valency. So whereas some elements shows different valency like 1, 2, 3, they possess variable valency. Valency is also the number of electrons an atom can be donate or accept. So what is valency? In a language of chemistry, valency is number of electrons which basically atom donates to another element or gain from another element. So the number of electrons which basically are donates or intake, it is also denotes by valency. So to achieve stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, so नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस के द्वारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन गेन करने के लिए नॉर्मली मेटल आइदर इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है, नहीं तो डोनेट कर देता है. दिस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वैलेंसी ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. लाइक मेटल डोनेट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन, सोडियम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है बिकॉज लुक एट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 281. फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लास्ट सेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन जरूरी है, इसीलिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस होने के कारण एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरे एलिमेंट को डोनेट कर दिया जा रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वैलेंसी क्या होगा 1+. एंड नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस इज नियॉन, जिसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है 28. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.